Welcome to my series of digital image processing. So in this series we are going to discuss the basics of digital image processing using OpenCv and Python. OpenCv is basically a library which was initially developed by Intel in 1991, and it was initially developed for C++ language, but now it is available in Python language. So to install OpenCv in your code editor, I am using PyCharm Community Edition. You can use any code editor. So to install OpenCv in your code editor, you have to go to the terminal. So here you will write pip pip install cv2, and then you will press your enter button. After pressing enter, this will download all the packages from the internet, and one thing is mandatory, that you should have an active internet connection to install OpenCv. So after installing OpenCv in your code editor, we are going to learn two basic things, which are reading an image and displaying an image. So for reading an image, we are going to import our library, which is cv2, import cv2, and then after that we are going to declare and initialize our variable. Reading an image means we are going to store that particular image into a variable. I declare a variable named as image1, and then I will use a method which is named as cv2.imageRead. imread. In this method imread, it takes two arguments. The first argument is the path of that particular image, means that actual location or the actual path of that. So if your image is in your main directory, like in my case I have that image in my main directory, which is named as image1.png. so you can use the name directly here in argument. So I will use directly image1.png, and after that it takes second argument, which is named as flag. So flag means that it takes two values. It can take 1 or it can take 0. 1 means that your image will be read into RGB color format, means red, green, blue, it is colorful image. And if you want to read your image into a black and white format or grayscale format, then you will flag it as 0. So here I will flag it as 1. Now this particular image1.png is stored into image1 variable. So let's check it, run it, and everything is okay. Now we are going to display this image. So to display this image, we are going to use another method which is named as cv2.imshow. imshow, this also takes two arguments. The first argument is the name of that window. Here I will write as my first OpenCv program, and then the second argument it take as it is the actual variable in which that particular image is stored. In my case, my variable is image1, so I will write here as image1. Now when I run it, you see the window has appeared, but it has been disappeared. To eliminate this issue, we are going to use cv2.wait key, which will wait for our input to close the window, and another method which is named as cv2.destroy all windows. So let's run it again. Here you can see this is my first OpenCv program, which is the name of the window, and our image is displayed. Then we click cross, all windows will be destroyed. Now there is another method to pass argument into these methods, so which is that you can declare a variable which is named as path, which is equal to image1.png. now here you can remove this image1.png and you can pass path. That's it. It's more clear, simple, and readable. So let's run it again. So that's it. No effect here. As I said that flag 1 represent that your image is written into RGB color scheme. Now if I put here 0, then our image will be in black and white scheme. Similarly, that's it. That's enough for today.